Nothing noteworthy about a train sitting on the tracks, but when it's got a long load of, well, Army vehicles, that's pretty cool. Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. I appreciate it very much. Let's get going. In this video, you will see armored vehicles. These, I believe, are called Strykers. Read up on them a little bit. They have many different uses, but eight-wheeled armored fighting vehicles. So General Dynamics Land Systems Canada produces these for the U.S. They can be four-wheel drive or all eight-wheel drive. So these are a backbone of the medium weight brigade combat team. Heavy armor and infantry use. So pretty cool little machine here. In the video, you'll see some of these vehicles with red crosses on them. So there's a couple examples. You will also see some blades, which are like the shovels on the front of a bulldozer. You will also see some trucks. I will play a little bit of music as you count all the numerous vehicles on this train. As we come to the end of this train, I counted approximately 227 vehicles. Thank you so much for watching this Road Odyssey video, all in fun. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you later. Bye.